Hello, Aunt Polly.
Oh, hello.
You look busy. Are you going to bake something?
Oh, yes, but shh. We're going to bake a surprise cake for Grandad Tumble. Aren't we, Baker Tumble?
Oh, yes, that's right.
Hello, Baker Tumble.
Oh, hello. Oh.
A surprise cake? How exciting.
Yes, I know. You see, today is a very special day for Grandad Tumble. He's... Oh, I think he's coming. Shh. Quick, Baker Tumble, shoo, shoo. La, 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 la.
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, hello.
You look very smart.
Well, thank you. Yes, you see, today I'm getting a Lifetime Achievement Award at the Bus Museum.
Wow, what a Lifetime Achievement Award.
Well, it's a very special award to thank Grandad Tumble for all of his hard work. I mean, look, he's driven lots and lots and lots of buses. Isn't it wonderful?
Well done, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I do love buses. Yep, the wheels and the wipers and the horn. Ooh, and that's for us. Now, come along, Grandad Tumble. We don't want to be late to the bus museum. All right, yeah, I'm all right. I'm going.
Bye, Grandad Tumble.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Aunt Polly.
Bye. Grandad Tumble, Polly, good morning.
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Oh, hello. Have you seen Grandad Tumble or Aunt Polly anywhere?
They've just left for the bus museum, Mr Tumble.
Oh. Already? But... Oh, I'm late. Oh, and I need to go too. Right, I can't miss Grandad Tumble's Lifetime Achievement Award.
You can't go in your pajamas, Mr Tumble.
What? Oh, of course.
Wait.
That's better, Mr Tumble.
Oh, thank you. Now, where was I?
Grandad Tumble's award.
Oh, yes! Oh. To the bus museum! Woohoo! Mr Tumble's Busy Bus Day! Thank you for watching! See the rest of my busy bus day on BBC iPlayer! Woohoo!